So my name is Vicenc. I am the head of partnerships for Lingokids, and we have a partnership with BenQ. So our solution is native in their marketplace. So if at any point you decide to acquire those displays, our solution is going to be right there. So let me give you a quick overview of who we are, what we do, and then the rest of the session is basically product demo, so you can see, right? So Lingokids is a learning app for kids from 2 to 8 years old, so it's pre-K elementary, and teachers and parents love our solution because it's deeply rooted in play learning, right? So we believe that combining learning, entertaining, enhances the learning capabilities. The content included is holistic, from educational subjects to modern life skills to let kids thrive in the 21st century, right? So it's about 1,600 original content that includes interactive video gaming, writing exercises, videos, podcasts, etc. And the whole thing is in the universe that we have created with our own characters. Elliot the panda, Cowie the cow, Lisa the cat, so kids love it, right? A little bit more about Lingokids. It's aligned with the US core standard, and for math and literacy up to kindergarten is aligned with the New York State curriculum. The reason why we picked the New York curriculum is because it's the only state with preschool curriculum available nationwide. So that being said, what you can see now is the kids' home screen with the different activities that it can be video games, it can be videos, etc. We have content in categories that we will visit later, and then we have a daily video selection. All this content changes every 24 hours. What's new, so it helps us push the new content we create. And then the 4 blocks that is our specialty: math, reading and literacy, science technology, and life skills, right? So you will see that for every single activity, there is a tag that further explains what the teacher can expect using this activity. And this arrow is to download the activities, right? Because we know that the Wi-Fi is not very good in some schools. So to prevent that to interfere with the day-to-day of the class, we allow the teacher to download certain activities and then play them offline. That being said, now we can go to categories here. By the way, you have this label, downloads, where you can see the ones that I pre-downloaded, and categories. So as mentioned, the way it's structured is basically educational subjects, literacy, math, science, engineering, you name it, we have all of them. And then on top of that, we have the modern skills, right? So if we go to one, for instance, let's go to math. So you have all these exercises, and we want to play one. So this one is about shapes. So you can see here, Lisa the cat and Cowie the cow that are gonna pick bricks, right? So you can imagine the class taking turns. It's gonna basically, you can come, we want to come and help me pick some. So there are, we need to look for these ones, right? Okay, so we need to go there. You have to press here. Then there is another one. Yeah. What? This way. You have to come here and press it. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. We have something. Oh, look at this. Lucky me. 2. There are some extra features like that. Yeah, go for it. Awesome. Yeah. Nicely done. Now we have to pick some cubes. You want to play? Since it's a small gathering, let's do it this way. So at some point they're going to start falling, and yeah. We have to You have to press there. Yeah. Okay, so this is a fish. This is not gonna count because we are looking for blue cubes. Oh, no, there's one there. Oh, let's go. I almost said another one. Okay, if you pick this one, you are gonna freeze and you're gonna move slowly, right? So this is no worries. But just to give you an idea of the game, right? So you can see exactly model skills is one of the skills we want to teach our kids, right? So that's for the educational subjects. Here, back to math, you will see that this is like some selection, but you will see that there are subsections, right? And it goes from easier to most difficult. So if you start with pre-K, they should start in the top subsections. It gets more tricky as you go down. It's for grade 1, etc. Yeah, because for some sections, we include some information to tell the teacher how they should be using this subsection, right? We will see that later. Yeah, this means that some of the content that is here is good for kids with dyscalculia and is gonna teach numbers 1 to 10. So it provides some sort of navigation to teachers. And now we will see some specific content for, we will see some games now of neurodiversity. But the idea is that as you scroll down, it is more difficult. When it comes to modern life skills, you will see that it's the same structure. For instance, citizenship, there are different subsections. In this case, it has nothing to do with more complexities, just basically different concepts like diversity, helping others, etc. Responsibility. No choice. So we are very big when it comes to teach English, right? Most of the schools that are using our solution here in the States and in Europe, they have a big share of merging multilingual kids. So since our content is holistic, they found out that it's very good for these kids to catch up with native speakers. We have a partnership with Oxford University Press, and the content is structured from pre-beginner to beginner class. And this includes content that we have co-developed with them, those with the Oxford seal, and content that it's been approved by them, right? To teach English in these different levels. This is usually a big thing in Europe. Here, we are looking for partners to be the OUP that we have in Europe, right? If you are not interested in Oxford, we have the English language path all exclusively with our content that goes from A1 to B1. So as you can see, we follow the European CEFR curriculum. Apart from that, our content is also structured by academic learning paths from preschool to first grade, 2 to 8 years old. And if you want it by age, we also have it by age groups, from 3 years to 6 over. I think that our sweet spot is honestly between 4, 5, and 6. And if I scroll down, I do have this content that you were referring to before. So I think that we are one of the few learning apps for early learners that includes content specific for kids with a broad spectrum of autism, dyslexia, dyscalculia, etc. And we have basically curated and approved this content with associations such as Autism Cafe and Child Mind Institute. So if there is any specific game that you would like to see, dyscalculia or dyslexia, we can take a look, right? So we have number recognition, for instance. Any that you may feel like. Okay, where is the 9? Let's see. What? 9. Yeah, got it. Awesome. Okay, bravo. So the important thing is that the content has been curated by these associations based on what we have, obviously. So let's say 2, with 4, you then abort, port here. Let's say 3. Oh, lucky me. 5, let's say 5 is here. Oh, and then you click there. So every time you play a game and you finish it, you are given a star, right? And we will see what goes with these stars. And apart from this, I wanted to show you as well another game we have developed that is kind of new. It's a group of games that is called Play Together, which allows either a teacher and a kid or 2 kids to play together, right? So I think that I downloaded one somewhere here, like animals. So this is considered for 2 kids or 2 teams to play together, right? So it's gonna split the whole thing. And I don't know what we need to do here, but so I don't know how to. This is the first time. Okay, because probably if you do this, it's not gonna go far. And you have like these big buttons here, so kids can play, right? So let's see, one could say this way, another one this way, and you would just, it goes down the file. So we got 3, right? Okay, so now going back to the main kids home screen, the video modes. This basically is like a saved version of YouTube with all our video content, with no ads and no way for them to skip to other content, etc. So again, you have it by different sections, and we have like hundreds and hundreds of this video content. And again, with these tags explaining what to expect in every video. Just a few more features. The search bar, it can help you to look up for different learning objectives for the class, and also any concept that you may think of. If you want to do like a class around, let's say, planets, for instance. So if you click here, it's gonna show you all the activities that include the concept planet, animals, etc. And as you can see, these are the stars. Every time we play a game and we finish it, when you get 5 stars, kids are able to start collecting stickers. We know how much they like a sticker, right? I have a 3-year-old, Roberto, and he loves stickers. They are everywhere. So once you have 5 and you start collecting stickers, there is an album where you can see those stickers with different scenes, and you can play with the stickers. So it's some sort of like the reward section, we call it, and it's to give them this sense of accomplishment to kids. And the last thing I wanted to show you up here, we have the parent/teacher section, where you are going to be able to see the progress center of the kid, right? Again, this is very basic. We are talking about kids from 2 to 8 years old. So we know outcomes are important, but we don't need like super specific metrics. But at least to see how many activities have been completed, what's the mastery, a skill achieved. Here I need some more story. What are the different, like the top 3 activities played and the top practice skills, right? Now, because we have only played 3 games, but as I keep playing with these, you will see, and for the teacher, it's going to be very easy to see where the kid is spending time. We are developing a new feature that is powered by AI that is going to allow the teachers, based on this information, to create reports, to socialize with other teachers in the school, and to forward to parents as well. So thinking of teachers how to make their life easy, in this sense, this is what we came at. Finally, by clicking here, you go back to the kids' home screen, and that's basically it.